How's it look?
Definitely abandoned. Are you sure this is the right place?
I'm sure. It has to be there somewhere. Keep looking.
Think I found it.
Great. Now, go open it.
Yeah, okay, give me a moment.
Well,
What if it's cursed?
oh, you can handle a little curse. Well, was it cursed?